Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I'm going to show you how to fix 0x80004005 unidentified error when connecting to a network resource. To fix this error, click on the Start menu. Type CMD. After appearing the command prompt, right-click on it. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. After opening the command prompt, copy and paste this command into the command prompt. Press Enter. If it did not resolve your problem, click on the Start menu. Type Turn Windows feature on or off. Click on it. After opening the Windows feature window, scroll down and select SMV 1.0/CIFS files sharing support. Click on OK. Please wait. After finishing it, restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.